I plan on bring her meal from rest. She didn't come. Can you take it tomorrow? I'm sorry. Give us another chance, please. Alright, I'll make sure to prepare the freshest, most natural tomorrow. Okay? Make sure to come tomorrow. Hi, portable TV. Extra. Do you have more to watch movie? I'll give you. Okay, not bad. The salesman. Thanks for helping me finish my work. These are my wages. Taken by some milk tea. Sorry to bother you. It's okay. I like you, Mr. T person. Swan, this weather has been good. I hope it clears tomorrow. It would be great to dig into the bento after swimming. Okay, Swan, pay bento. Swim around. Hope the weather will be good. Okay. Let's buy some kitchen upgrades. I was on here like 3 days ago to save us some money for you guys. So let's see if we can get something interesting. Not what I wanted. Yay! Basically everything left water. I don't see anything in this, so I'm gonna come back. Oh, I have so many fish surrounded by the pond because I collected them. Okay, so fish, nice mountains, flower. Okay, I have a letter. Fish in a pond 3 times. Great. Okay, boy, so you letter. Thank you. Okay, so let's upgrade the stove. Okay, I got some new recipes too, guys. I bought cup noodles. I bought spaghetti wrapped. The wrap, soak in milk cooler and baked fish. I think I'm about to fry rice after I get the oven. And I get the other stove. First time hitting a million on here. Okay. Wolf, excuse me. There are many seats at your buffet. I want to get a guitar in my friend group. Okay, Wolf. Playing. Today's task. Serve mouse 14 times at the restaurant. Sell a ball sheep 1 time. Promote 150 times. Delay 2 booth owners. Okay. Also, I got a new worker. Staff. I got Lucky the cashier. I'm gonna promote you. So, okay. So apricot the sleeper gonna smell great. What else do I want to do? Okay, I'm gonna get the pastry counter, all the garments you'll ever need. got a pastry counter. I'm gonna upgrade the cravings. So we upgraded a lot of stuff, and I think the next thing I'm upgrading is a recipe. I'm gonna get the fried rice. And yes. Okay. At least something, so. I was trying to see if I can catch anything. Nope, I got trash instead. Okay, well, let's continue. How do I solicitate? Somebody tell me how to solicitate the booth owners. I see like people like to pay new pastry bar. Maxed out the same ovens. Got 2 glass ones. For haven't been happy and all time your food is absolutely delicious. Thanks, love. I don't know where the mouse is coming, but it says there's mouse. I'm gonna watch the video to get this. Okay. My lease was empty, so I leased something else. There's a shirt. Okay. Oh, the store is busy. Okay. I don't have enough stars for that. So we're just gonna continue. Okay, thanks for ordering, guys. Come back again. We got the new card on the outside. So you guys can upgrade too. So we just did the upgrades. Okay. So let's see how much we need for recipe 230. Okay. Then my TV commercials give me a lot more. Okay. $3,000 for food is great. I have to update the restaurant. Oh, we have a mouse. Okay, we actually been promoting the people I wanted to promote. Because the mouse actually made Sam mouse 14 times. I have a sweeper, but they did not pick up the trash. And this cat's not doing anything. Oh, resting. Okay. Gotta do it by myself as usual. The cat's supposed to collect the fish, if you guys didn't know. Okay, I served like 3 mouses. 5 in total. So I'm gonna keep collecting for time when mouses come. Because I really need them. Oh look! We have a sketch artist. Like clownfish, flounder, and 5 minutes to move on the page 10. Pays 10 plates as rent. Stars may sometimes be given after each purchase income. Okay, I will. When the countdown begins, the colors of the picture will disappear. Replicate the original color with time limit, and you'll win great prize. Tap a color on the color palette and drag or tap each target area, and it will target automatically color. Replicate the colors within Time limit to win the game. Don't worry if you fill in the wrong color. Select the color and fill in again. Okay. It's blue, dark blue, this blue, brown, watermelon. Okay. This blue. Okay. What is this? Okay, I really should try again next time. Anyways, I got an achievement. I'm like a total of 40 customers. Good. Oh no, that's not what I didn't do it. Okay, good. Watch the video. Okay, so we got the achievement, and we have enough to buy, the recipe. Bye, guys. And then, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.